On this episode of How to Make Dinner, I want to show you my favorite way to make egg salad. Welcome to another episode of How to Make Dinner. Thanks so much for joining me today. This is a really simple one, and I'm pretty sure that there are about 8 million egg salad methods and recipes out there on YouTube. But I wanted to show you my favorite way to make egg salad because I don't see a lot of people doing it, and I think it's so nice. This is the egg salad method that I choose when I want a super fluffy and just like nice, even consistency egg salad. So I'm gonna start by taking my eggs. I have some hard-boiled eggs here. To hard-boil eggs, I use the steaming method that I showed you in my jammy egg video, but I just let them go for like an extra 2 minutes. Instead of 7 minutes, I do about 9 minutes, and then I get perfect hard-boiled eggs. And really the only difference between this and any other egg salad recipe is that instead of chopping them or using an egg slicer, I like to use a cheese grater. And it's really nice because they grate really easily. They just kind of smush right through. It's also really fast. This is one of the fastest ways I know to make egg salad. You can see that that 9-minute method makes for perfect yolks. You don't get that gray ring around the edge. They're nice and bright yellow still. Even a little bit soft in some cases, which is totally fine by me. I know that there's a viral TikTok video right now that's like grated egg and avocado toast or something. And I was watching Emmy Made in Japan talking about that grated egg and avocado video, and I was like, that's how I make my egg salad. So it kind of reminded me that it would be a good idea to talk about it on the show. Another benefit of this style of egg salad is that you don't need nearly as much mayonnaise because you're kind of finely grating everything. The yolk almost creates like a creamy sauce to start from. So I find I barely add any mayo to this, and it's basically already kind of holding together and a nice consistency. Okay, a little messy, I admit that, but that was pretty quick, right? As far as the actual recipe for this egg salad goes, it's pretty simple, and honestly, just add whatever you like. I would normally add red onion or green onion, but my dad is coming over today and he is a real onion hater, so I'm not gonna add that. All I'm gonna add is some chopped fresh dill because you know me and my dill, I need it. Anytime it makes sense, I add dill. That's basically my rule of thumb. I actually meant to buy some smoked salmon today for them coming over, but I forgot. It's actually Mother's Day today when I'm filming this. I hope my dad appreciates the sacrifice not adding onion to my egg salad. Some people do celery. I'm not really a big celery in egg salad person. I'm a big celery in tuna salad person, like a lot of celery, but not so much for the egg. I find that the texture is just a bit too crunchy for the texture of the egg. So I like to keep things quite soft and fluffy. So dill goes in, and this is a fair bit. A good bit of pepper, because eggs and pepper are such a good combo. I love it. You know, I don't put pepper in everything. I'm not like salt and pepper in everything, but I am definitely pepper in eggs. And then a good pinch of salt. And then I'm just gonna use some of my homemade mayo. And really, 1 heaped teaspoon for 7 eggs. And that's probably gonna do the trick. I just want enough mayo till it holds together. And you can see because these yolks aren't overcooked, they're kind of a little bit soft and smushy still. So they're almost like creating a little bit of a extra binding agent in there. Yeah, That's all it took. It's really holding together. Oh, so nice. I've got a crispy little buckwheat cracker here. I love these things. They're not cheap, but they're very, very nice. They're a perfect way to test out this egg salad. Moment of truth. It's so fluffy. This style of egg salad is like fluffy and creamy, and I just love the texture of those little shredded bits of egg white. Perfect. Big fan. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't tried this method for egg salad, I highly recommend you give it a go. Just bust out your box grater. You'll be so glad you did. You'll never have a fluffier egg salad in your life. Thanks so much for joining me this week, and I'll see you again soon.